So just gonna go over the Apple trade and oil trade that I took today. I took two trades. One of them I'm currently in, I'm holding for next week, and the other one, which was oil, I lost on it, which fucking sucks, but we'll see why. And basically, for the Apple trade, I went in longs is because ES was making higher highs, higher lows, but didn't really have an entry point. So I wanted to participate long, but I needed to find a good entry point with the good risk to reward, and Apple had that. So it was almost reaching all-time highs over here. I rejected once, it's the second rejection. So now we're looking just for some type of support after the rejection. So we go to the 15 minute, and basically what happened is rejected here, and we found support at the previous rejection point. And this was also the start for some supply here too. Okay, so it was previous rejection, now it turned into support. So it was the start of this move over here overnight, and then we dropped right back into it, came into the zone for another leg higher. So that's why I'm taking it right now. So as long as it doesn't go below this level, my green box, then I'm staying in the trade. If it goes below here, then I'm out of the trade. Okay, it's just playing the levels, because if it goes below here, that's most likely going to go even lower to fill this gap. Okay, so I'm still in that trade, and oil is the losing trade that I took. It was whatever trade. I had a little bit more conviction in it, but it didn't really respect price action as much as I wanted it to. So we're in a downtrend right now. I tried to play the upside, which is a bad idea. Um, Obviously, we do have some support right here, but go to like the 30. Price action flushed. We have weak price action, and it's showing that it's weaker because it's making lower lows like this. And then now this was just a flush, and then came back into it. So probably what I could have done was wait for the retest of these lows right here. And that's exactly what happened. It came in and retested it like that. So my zone was probably off. I probably should have not had that. And I probably should have done something like this. Yeah, it's a lot better. So that's the rejection zone right there. That's what I probably should have done. Does that align with over here? Yeah, it kind of does. So as long I found how I could have done it better. My zone was just off. If I just played the rejections of these pivot lows and how it was going down more, then uh, yeah, I should have taken that. So let's just rename this to res and this to 79. But yeah, so next up, we'll probably be right over here, like around this general demand zone over here. That's the next zone for actual longs, and it could probably coincide with this trend line, so we'll see. But I'm taking shorts as long as it's below that. But yeah, losing trade on oil and the trade that I'm currently in on Apple. So we'll just see what happens next week on Monday.